Hey, I'm Reese with Joycoast, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on one of our wooden watches, but as well, the same concept works with several other watches as well. So all you really need is the watch that needs a battery change, a small screwdriver. For ours, it could be a small flathead or a small Phillips, both work, and the replacement battery as well. A lot of watches use the same type of batteries. For ours, for Joycoast watches, all of our batteries are either the 371 or the 377. So you can check online to see which watch battery your watch needs. So the first step is there are 4 screws on the back of the watch. You'll just need to undo each one of these screws, and then the battery lies right on the back, and you can pop it out, pop the new one in, close the case up, and you're good to go. So I'll show you how to do that right quick. Could undo one of these links, which would make it probably even easier, but for this video, I'm just going to leave the band connected. I have my small flathead screwdriver.
I recommend doing this on a flat surface so that the small screws don't roll away and get lost. There's 4 screws total to undo, and I unscrew each of them enough so that the back disconnects, but not enough to pull them fully out.
Can just pry one of the screws and get a good grasp on the back here. Cool. So you can see the screws are still all connected on the case, and I'll rest it right on this. So then inside the watch right here is the actual battery. And we just need to pop that out. So I've still got the flathead screwdriver, which is nice. So I'll just put it in the angle and pop it out, and boom. This is the 371, which is right here.
All right, so got the new battery out right here. And once you go to put it in, it only accepts it at the same angle as you took it out. So make sure to pry it in the same way.
There's really only like one angle. You just have to make sure you prop it in the right angle and then push on the other side so that it pops in right there. But a light is helpful because you can actually see to make sure that it's properly aligned.
I'm going to speed through this part as I secure the back of the watch by re-screwing in each screw.
All right, perfect. Cool, now I can see the watch is ticking now, and we are all good to go.
Yay! I hope you learned how to change the battery today on your Joycoast watch. I appreciate you sticking around and being a loyal customer. If you don't feel like doing this yourself, you can bring this into our Joycoast store in Lincoln Park, Chicago, and we will change the battery for you for only $5. So our address is 1214 West Webster Avenue, Chicago, Illinois. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you soon.